Alright, hi everyone and welcome to the video. My name is Saumil and in this video I'm going to be talking about my collaboration that I have been discussing so far. So we have a Slack channel and about 10 people have joined. Thank you very much for your cooperation and support. Basically now these are the team members that I'm gonna announce. These are like the 7 people who are gonna work on projects. So let me just tell their names first. So the first one is Mahima Gupta and she's from Tempa, Arizona. Second is Sachin Sharma. He's from Delhi, India. Then we have Vidyuraj. He's from SEUSL, right? The fourth member we have is Chandan. We have Chandan. He's basically again from New Delhi. He works with C++ and Python. Then we have Sai, and then we have Awais. He's from Islamabad, and these are all the members who are there on my GitHub team. Now there are 4 domains you can work on, or you can contribute basically, or you can create repository here. So the 4 domains are as follow. The first domain would be web scraping. So if you like web scraping, if you like to hack APIs from hidden websites, so this is the perfect team for you. So search for people who are interested in web scraping, form a team, create a projects every week, do something new. We'll be collaborating through GitHub, right? So that's the first team. I'm going to create all the teams. Right now there are people, I haven't created team yet. So team number 1 would be web scrapers. Then the second team would be about data science. So anyone who's interested in data science, so once you do the web scraping, we have a data, right? So you have to do a data analysis on that. So the data science team can use the web scraping code and do some analysis or practice or whatever you want to do, right? That's the data science. Third team is basically machine learning, AI. So very hot topic, who want to work on machine learning, Keras, TensorFlow. So create your repositories, collab with people. We have 7 people so far. Enjoy, learn. So that's all I want to say. And the fourth team would be web apps. So the web apps would be basically Flask, Django, REST API, backend, or RabbitMQ and stuff like that, database and stuff like that, AWS, IoT, all of that. So these are the 4 teams that I have just announced. Now we'll create teams and we'll create some projects. I do not have anything in particular mind, but feel free to propose your own projects if you would like. Let's collaborate. Let's get together on the Slack. So let's discuss what we want to do further. And this Sunday, let's try to have a video conference at maybe 10 to 11 o'clock PST time. EST time, sorry. I'm gonna make sure the time is proper, but we'll communicate through Slack. That's our basic way of communicating through the people who are really interested to build something and want to create something out of the box and contribute to the society. That's it. This is just a small initiative. I'm trying to get people from different countries and trying to work together. I mean, of course, the time zone are different. It's gonna be a problem, but what we can do is just get up. You work at your own pace. I mean, it's just an open source project. So anything you want to work on, let's say you want to scrape data from this website, collab with people over here, ask, hey, I do want to work, ask people on Slack. If they want to work, collab, GitHub, there you go. You have an opportunity. And once everything is done, everything is set up, what we can do is we can publish it on PyPI officially, and we can have you and the person who worked as an author in that. And this is how we are going to collaborate and help the society and the Python community. So that's it for this video. Hope you have enjoyed it, and if so, do give a like. If you have any more questions, please let them know in the comment section. If you have any more suggestions, please let me know in the comment and I will really get back to you as quick as possible. Once again, thank you for love, support, and see you guys next time.